Here's a problem that has a lot of different triangles and it wants to know which two triangles may not be similar. Now on the SOL question it gives you a bunch of different options, but let's go through this problem and sort of figure out all we can. If triangles are similar, all their angles will be exactly the same. So let's go in here and start putting in some measurements of what we can figure out. And it's given us a couple of 90-degree angles here, and it gave me 6 degrees down here per F. Well, when I first looked at this, I'm saying, hey, if that's 90 and that's 60, this corner right here is going to have to be 30 degrees. Well, since this is 90, if that's 30 degrees, this right here better be 60. And I also know right up here, if this is 90, then this side right here's got to be 90 degrees also. Well, in this triangle right here, BAE, I got 90, 60, and that'll then have to be 30. Now I'll start thinking, okay, well hold on a second. Let's look at this big triangle. This big triangle from A to F up to C. Well, this corner of that big triangle is 90, and this is 60, so this corner must be 30 up here. So I'm now looking here from C to B over to E, C down to B over to E. Notice you have 30, 90, and that'll force this to be 60. Now, I would love to be able to figure out what this measurements are here. That looks like 90, but I have no way of being guaranteed that it's 90. Because this 90 got split right here, up through there. I don't know if it's split it at 30 degrees or 31 degrees or whatever, and I have no real way of being able to tell. So in this case, what I'm going to be able to figure out is which two triangles aren't similar. I can see that B to D to E, I don't know the measurements of. So I know triangle BDE, that triangle right here, since I don't know the measurements, I don't know if it matches this guy or this triangle or even the big triangle. I don't know if it's similar to any of them. And that's the answer they wanted. They wanted you to figure out that BDE was not similar, possibly not similar, it could be, but we don't know for a fact, not similar to some of these others, and the other options were these. At the same time, we do not know what this CBD is either. But that wasn't one of the triangles they listed for us to worry about, so we're not going to worry about it. But again, if triangles are similar, all the angles must match up. So what we do is we go through and we fill in everything we can and can see that we have 30, 60, 90s in most of these spots. And we find the one guy that we can't prove that it's 30, 60, 90, so he is our guy that doesn't match the others.